Welcome to Organico septic tank treatment, the hassle-free way to maintain a clean and efficient septic system. Here's what Organico does for you. Eliminates bad odors, creating a fresher environment. Breaks down waste faster, reducing the need for frequent pumping. Minimizes the presence of flies, improving hygiene around your home. Using Organico is effortless. Pour 1 sachet into each toilet in your household. Flush it down to let Organico do its job. For larger systems like farms or estates, use Organico powder supplied in 2.5 kilograms buckets for direct septic tank application. Follow this simple schedule. During the first month, use 1 sachet per week in each toilet for a shock treatment. After the first month, use 1 sachet per month for regular maintenance. Within weeks, you'll see a noticeable difference in odors and fly activity, reduced waste buildup, cutting down on the need for pumping. Important: use harsh chemicals, detergents, and bleach sparingly in your system. Overuse can disrupt Organico's natural bacteria, reducing its effectiveness. Organico septic tank treatment, a smarter solution for sustainable sanitation. Let Organico handle the tough work, so you don't have to.